Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Sphere News Network. It's time to 9 p.m. bulletins. I'm Madiha Saeed. 17 millions will be received daily. The first dose of vaccines is expected to arrive from China tomorrow. In the first phase, the corona vaccines will be given to the staff of health department, while in the second phase, people over the age of 65 will be vaccinated. Vaccination administrations by the government will be free of public. PDM leader Fazlur Rahman said that there is no war will be establishment. We do not want to fight with any institutions. Anger is on the results of 2018 elections. The result was given to those who were already incompetent and had no right to run the government. Fazlur Rahman said that if we do not contest the Senate elections, the government will be handed over to in the competences which will never want to do. Shah Mahmood Qureshi said that he already knew that though there would be no resignations, but the words are now saying we are waiting for the right time and will resign at the right time. The right time will come in 2023. Opposition's effort to hold Senate elections through open ballot required a 2/3 majority in government. The constant notice of this position would remain with Azmat Saeed for investigations. Notification issued for broadsheet investigation commission. Officers will be allowed to form committees in which they will gather all inquiries and evidence in the court. They have to complete the inquiry within the 6 weeks. Members of Assembly called on the Punjab Minister to resolve the issues. The Punjab Minister assured that the problems of their areas would be resolved. Winter likely to be long. Meteorological Department predicts cold weather in the February.